Welcome to this video, where we're going to tackle a common issue that many developers face when working with TinyMCE, a popular rich text editor. If you've ever encountered the frustrating problem of TinyMCE not initializing on an add form, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll explore the possible reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step explanation to help you resolve it. TinyMCE is a powerful tool that allows users to create rich text content. But when it fails to initialize, it can bring your entire application to a grinding halt. That's why understanding how to troubleshoot and fix this problem is essential for any developer working with TinyMCE. So let's dive in and get started. So why does TinyMCE sometimes fail to initialize on an add form? The first thing to understand is that TinyMCE initialization can be affected by a variety of factors, including the order in which scripts are loaded, CSS styling, and even the presence of other JavaScript libraries. One common reason for this issue is that the TinyMCE script might not be loading before the form is rendered. This can happen when you're using a content management system or a framework that loads scripts asynchronously. To resolve this, you need to ensure that the TinyMCE script is loaded before the form is rendered. One way to do this is by using a callback function to initialize TinyMCE after the form has been fully loaded. Another possible reason for this issue is that there might be conflicts with other JavaScript libraries or CSS styles that are interfering with TinyMCE's initialization process. To identify and resolve these conflicts, you'll need to inspect your code carefully, looking for any potential clashes between different libraries or styles. In some cases, the problem might lie in the way TinyMCE is being initialized. Perhaps the wrong selector is being used, or maybe the initialization options are not being set correctly. Whatever the reason, understanding how TinyMCE works and what's required to initialize it successfully will help you troubleshoot and fix this issue. So, what should you take away from this video first? Remember that TinyMCE initialization can be affected by a variety of factors, including script loading order, CSS styling, and conflicts with other libraries. Second, ensure that the TinyMCE script is loaded before the form is rendered to avoid any potential issues. Finally, inspect your code carefully for any potential clashes between different libraries or styles, and understand how TinyMCE works to troubleshoot and fix any initialization problems. That's it for this video. We hope you now have a better understanding of why TinyMCE might not be initializing on an add form, and what steps you can take to resolve the issue. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're always up to date on our latest video.